Hey guys, this is LPS vs Roblox. Yeah, and I'm by myself. Yeah. Okay, today we are playing Royal High, like always. Anyways, now, 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 now. So pretty here. Oh, so lucky though. Oh no! Wait, I'm loading him really bad. I just remembered. Wait, what is that? Oh, it's a head. Oh, okay. This is that person down there. Oh, I'm loading him. Oh, there's the diamond. I told someone I would get this diamond. And actually, Oh, 300! No one spotted. Look. I'm posting this to YouTube. Yeah. That was the diamond, people. I told you. It's amazing. Hello. That was the second time I got that massive diamond. Yeah. Now it's a bit like, I think it takes an hour till it comes back. Because, I don't know, I just think it takes an hour. Yeah, it's like going completely. Well, that means I have 358. I have 1,322 diamonds. Well done, Harley, comma. That is very nice to know. No, like, real, like, that's a really cool. I wish I had pink hair. I know, it's weird. Or blue hair. Or with short hair. Imagine. But because I have long hair, means stuff. Ooh, wait, what? There's boys? There's actually, finally, we needed some boys in this game for life. Wait, why is it so laggy? Wait, I just realized. Who's snowing? Oh, is it this person? Oh, yes. I'm gonna get a dog. Oh, I have a friend in called Miss Kelly. I'm gonna see if I can find her and be a dorm with her. But if she has a dorm already, I will not be with her then because she has a dorm. So she's really popular. She's such a good wild. Okay, is she over here? No one ever goes here. Wait, does no one notice there's dorms here? I mean, naughty. Ooh. Is anyone here? Oh, it says Miss Uni. Oh, someone has a nice red dress, like me. Sweet. Okay, I'm going to try and find Miss Kit. Oh no, she's with dragons! No! No, it's fine. Ugh. Oh well. Oh, is anyone yeah, okay. I'm gonna be Luna. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm a Luna. Oh jeez. Yeah, okay, it wasn't really that long, but I mean, I still wanted to do. Look at the sunset there. I know this is a weird video, but at least you saw me get the diamond, so then you guys can know where to get it, so then you can, like, whenever you go. Should I go to dance later on? I don't know. I don't really need to get ready, because I'm already ready. Oh, yes, sorry, I forgot someone was already. Wait. That's finished. Wait, all the rooms are gone. No. I need a doorman, please. Why Miss Kelly have to be with that person? Please, someone have a free dorm. I really need a free dorm with someone. Okay, well I guess I'll be a loner, you know, why not? I'll show you off my dorm room. Okay. This is my bed. It took me like forever to make it, like ever. And I'm pretty sure I forgot to paint the top, but it looks nice. I mean, I'm a love princess, so hello, is it? Yeah, it's here. I think they're all the same color, just the shade is a little because it's dark in here. This is my bed, yeah. Well, I think I need to paint this top because it doesn't match really, and I kind of need a matching bedroom. Oh, yeah, there we go. Matching. I actually do like this though. I'm just gonna go outside to see how it is. Oh look, it's so pretty! Purple, purple, pink, and white, so cute together. What about over here? Wait, no, peeks in. Yeah, okay, perfect. Oh, it's coming out of the dorm! Wait, who's that? No, I'm not letting you in my dorm. No, I don't know who you are. You put it in my windows, okay? Even though it's coming out the window, that's so creepy! That's so funny though. Hi? Question mark? Wait, did I still wave? Oh, it's prom. Oh well, I'm gonna miss it. It's fine. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back having to break because I needed it. I like how I have purple and then like really purple and then white and then pink and then just again. It's so cute though. Because you can see I'm a love fairy, so I need this in my life. And then I just chill, sleep, chill. I might be getting Sims 4 by the way, people. And it'll be my first time because I have never played Sims 4 before. I'm making sure no stalkers are out here. Oh, look how pretty that is. Hey, hi. Oh my god. Sad face. Yep, pretty. I'm giving you all the things that make you do actions. I don't know if there's any more. Tell me in the comments if there is any more, and I'll show you what it's like. This kind of looks bad, but then also, I don't know. Should I close it? Maybe I should close it. This is cute. Look at that heart though. Wow, cute. But we're gonna have to block the windows so that no creepers come in when I'm sleeping. Yeah. They still have the rules update. They should really change it. But wait, no. Actually, don't change it because I need the bunk bed. I need the bunk bed. Ah. Okay. Well, that was interesting. Imagine if I randomly just got prom queen when I wasn't even there. Actually, I'm gonna go there because I'm kind of lonely here. Let maybe make a friend. Do you know what I mean? Sophie, where are you? I am at the party. Sorry, I did not know she was shouting at the party being like, Sophie, where are you? So I'm like, I'll be like, here at the party. Wait, where's my Miss Kelly? I'm Princess. Oh, it's Lily. Come find me. Oh damn, look at that girl's wing. She is on fleek. Oh, I did not fall. Oh, I'm not trying to get near her. I just wanted to do some weird things. Everyone looks so pretty. I know that. Oh, geez. Everyone is so pretty. Oh, No. It was just normal. Ooh, who can I vote? Yeah. Miss Kelly will be with her. He's cool. Yeah, okay. I know. You look so cute. Oh, just I know you cute and pretty. And oh, pretty. Sorry. Oh, didn't have a limbo with that. Should I be Belle? No, I'm just kidding. We are gonna be amazingness of coolness. Me, nothing to break me. No, how did Miss Yuli win? It's you, Cass. Because you're my friend. Wait, what? Hi. Oh, I'll just privately chat with them. Hey. Huh. Nice to meet you. Oh, I need another break. Hold on. Bam, bam. Sorry about that. Anyway. You are in a vid of mine. Oh. Whoop. I forgot I was in private chat. Sorry. Miss Kelly, you are in my vid I am making. You are in my vid I am making. There you go. I hope she gets it. Okay. Say hi to YouTube. Wait, I'm confused. Yeah, I was gonna say that to you. Well, no, because I kind of forgot. But wait, so she's recording? I'm really confused. So yeah, in the morning. Wait, where's her dorm again? No, knock. I want to be in here, please. Why, Josh, why are you in here? Oh, jeez, Ellie. Hi. Nice to meet you. Anyways. Ooh, strawberry. I love strawberries. That would be strawberries. Welcome back to Royal High. Did not know she was recording. I'm fast. I'm going to. That be my dog. No, just kidding. Oh no. Oh, there she is. Hello. Hello again. Hello. Bye. This is so cool. Okay. I just that. We are both on YouTube doing this. Yeah. I have a speaking thing so you can hear my voice in my room. Oh no, it doesn't have a capital either.